Hi, I'm Marco Brown with Brown Law. Let's talk about the age at which a child can decide which parent to live with. There are really two aspects to this. And the first is what's written in the law and in the books. And the second is, how does this work out in real life? Now, you got to keep in mind, when it comes to the law, a judge really doesn't have to take into account what a kid's preferences are about custody. Judges can take into account the preference. They don't have to. Now, there is a law in Utah that when a kid gets to 14 years old, and if a judge takes the kid's preference into account, the judge has to give that a little bit more weight. That's really all it says. And in reality, a kid's preference almost never makes the judge's decision for them. Now, how does this work out in real life? Let me tell you, when a kid hits 16, something magical happens. A kid gets a car, a kid has lots of friends, lots of activities, kind of is backing away from parents in order to figure out how to be an adult. Let's be honest, it's just really hard to tell a 16-year-old what to do. So what all this means is that a 16-year-old kind of chooses the parent he wants to live with more. So for example, if on paper, two parents share 50-50 custody of a 16-year-old boy, but that boy wants to live 75% of the time with his dad, that's probably gonna happen. If the kid likes his mom, however, he wants to live more with her, that's probably going to happen. And this brings me to a really important point, and that is, you need to have good relationships with your kids throughout the entire divorce process. If you don't, if you've kind of backed away from your kids or are mean to them through the divorce, realize that they may well back away from you when they turn 16. So don't let that happen. Maintain good, strong relationships throughout the divorce. If you need help with your divorce, give us a call, 801-685-9999.